Hello guys, welcome back to Streamlab HQ, and in today's video I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how to install the ASGARD Kodi Addon. And this particular add-on works best on Kodi 20, Nexus, Kodi 21 and Omega, and the most recent Kodi version. So this particular video add-on is best for movies, TV shows and live TV. And without wasting much of your time, let's get started guys. So the first thing you have to do is to click on this gear icon and click on set system. Then on this left panel you have add-ons. You click it and you check this unknown sources and you click yes. So you go back to the home page and you click on file manager and you click on add source and click on none here. Then I'll be entering a URL from which we'll be getting our repository. So make sure you type this exact URL I'm going to type here, so you won't make any mistake while getting yours, while installing yours. And if you encounter any issue, you can just leave a comment in the comment section. So this is the URL guys. So click on this and click OK, and then you go back to the home page. On this page you click on add-ons and you click install from zip file and you click on repo here and click on this zip file and allow it to install. So once the installation is complete, we proceed. So it's been installed. Then we click on install from repository. Then I'll click on EasyMax wizard repository. Okay, I'll click on video add-ons, and on this page I'll click on ASGARD. Okay, and I'll click on install. So you have a bunch of options here, but you click OK here and allow it to download and install. So if you are finding this video very helpful guys, I want you to just show appreciation by clicking on that subscribe button guys. That's the only thing I'm going to ask from you. And a quick disclaimer guys, this tutorial is purely for educational purposes. You know, Kodi app is fully legal to use, but you don't have the right to use it for unauthorized content. So this tutorial is just purely for educational purposes guys. So I'll pause this video till the installation is complete guys. So it's been installed guys, and to access this ASGARD add-on, I'll have to go back to the home page. Then I'll click on add-ons, then video add-ons, then this is it guys. So once I open this, okay, you have a bunch of options here, but I'll close this. So this is the the ASGARD version. So if you don't have an account with them, you can use the non-debris section. You have so many options here. So this is it guys. So it's pretty simple to install, and I hope you are going to find this tutorial helpful. And if you do, please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel to encourage and support me, and I promise you'll be getting more latest working video add-ons and builds in the coming days. So with that being said guys, this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching guys.